What's up, guys? We're doing this a day early as we got some snow in the area. So usually Saturday's my day to just relax, go out, that type of thing. But since I'm basically snowed in, I'm going to do this a day early. We're going back to we did 2019 last week. We're going to do 2018 this week, kind of keep it fresh while I can. And this will be our third box of this. In general, though, Road to WrestleMania has just been great. So always look forward to opening these. Don't know how I'll do hiding the hits. Probably terrible, as always. Not even bothering with the bronze. Since I did do a video on Thursday, not too much to talk about, other than I was tipped off to another place that has cards. So between that and some things I saw online, I should be able to keep the hobby box thing going for a while. Not sure about blasters. May try a few when Road to WrestleMania, the new set comes out. And there's our first auto. It is Johnny Gargano, who I just got in the new NXT set. So that's kind of a dupe. Or our first hit. Oh, you know what? I didn't look at a number here. Which I don't believe there's a number on here. Which is kind of weird, because usually the color is indicative of something, but I'm just not seeing a number here. So let's keep going. Hopefully that means there's another auto. You got a silver. That's probably our numbered card. And that's 2 out of 25. So we're just looking for one more hit. And whoop, there's our second hit, and it is a autograph matte relic of Ruby Riott with 1T. Ooh, it's gold. 6 out of 10. Nice. So we got ourselves another 2 auto box. So I'll try and get through the rest of these pretty quick. Hits came early. hey, another 2-auto box. So that's another winner. Starting to get down to the bottom here. It's a little anticlimactic when you get those hits early to just go through the regular cards. Gotta start a new pile for the base over there. Okay, now at the bottom of the box. Okay, we're on our last 2 packs. All right. So there are our hits. We got our silver card, numbered to 25. Our Ruby Riot, autographed relic, again with 1 T, and it's gold. And our Johnny Gargano. And I think that's almost a telltale when you get an autograph that's not numbered, that there's a good chance there's going to be 2 in there. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Keep checking back. Take care.